Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the nullishing coalescing operator. Okay, so let's now learn about the new operator with the funny name of nullishing coalescing operator. In this video, we use the OR operator. Let's set a default value. In case that's the first value was a falsy value, let's bring back our code here. So from the previous one. So here, yeah. And then here let's remove the guest one. So here we'll remove. So from this code, as we are getting here the output 10, right? Now we are only interested in this OR operator here, and let's call this one simply guess. So let's again remember what happened here. So which is when we set a number of guests to 0, then JavaScript will still take this default value here and assign it to the guest, because 0 is a falsy value now. So therefore we got the second operand. However, fortunately for us, there is a very good solution for this. That's this new operator with the weird name of Nullish Coalescing Operator. It's an operator that was introduced in ES 2020, and it works like this. So here I'm declaring constant. Here I will say guess correct equals to restaurant dot num guess. So here this is the operator here. Okay, as you can see here, now we are getting here the value 0. So it works almost the same way as the OR operator, really almost the same, but it will fix here the error. So let's see what it does here is, so here we got 0. Then I'll explain you why that is 0. It is 0, right? Now let me just go ahead and turn this off for now. As you can see here, we are getting our value 10 here. Well, it is because this nullishing coalescing operator works with the idea or with the concept of nullish values instead of the falsy values. Okay, let me just write here nullish, null value and undefined, and this does not include not 0 or empty value, empty string here. And let's just go ahead and turn it on back. Basically, for nullishing coalescing operator, it is as if the 0 and the empty string we are not falsely value, and were instead truthly values as well. But again, this operator doesn't work with the principle of nullish values, and so all the nullish values with short circuit the evaluation here. Okay, now if this was a null or undefined, then only the second operator here would be executed and written. So right now the case as the number of guests doesn't exist, we commented it out, so now it is undefined. So then the evaluation continues, but again as we put it back, it is 0, and 0 is not a nullish value, and therefore the evaluation here is short circuited and immediately the first non-nullish value is written. All right, that's actually all for now about this nullishing coalescing operator. It's really great and really useful operator, even though right now it might not seem useful, but as we go through this project you will see it is really is. Okay, that's it for this video.